Kenny, what do we call these? Again, the technical term?
Window weather strip.
The window seals, weather strip, whatever you want to call it, people. That goes on your door, you know, the one that flops around and comes off with your door all the time because these little squares get chunked out. They're supposed to retain them, and these stupid clips suck. We're going to show you what a simple rivet, rivet will do to make that door panel great again. So, once you let your seal in and you locate it where it needs to go, you're going to take an 1/8 inch drill bit. We're going to drill 3 holes while pushing down on the felt or the seal, but we want to drill it in the middle of these, in this valley right here. That way the rivet is actually below the felt that touches the glass, and the rivet head won't touch the glass. I go here, here, and here. Just 3 of them is all you need. All right, so drill the holes, blah, 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 put the rivets in. So I want to show you guys something real quick. So the plastic's thin on these, right? And I've had people like, oh my gosh, I ripped mine out riveting. So you gotta be real careful. And what I do, I don't give it the full onion, just a little bit. So it's not all the way broken off. Then I'll take, you know, and there you go. So it's all the way, it's smashed down enough to retain it, but don't keep giving it the onion or the pressure to break the head of the rivet off, because you'll break that plastic, especially on older door panels. So we always just kind of like give it enough to get that rivet to expand, and then once it expands, stop. Take your rivet gun off of it. Like I showed you, just smack that guy down. It's always good to hold the back side, you'll break the plastic, and then cut that guy and cut the top out of it and pull it out. It works pretty solid. Okay, so you can see...
Devon.
What?
Get up on your stool, I can't see you.
Oh. There we go. How's that?
That's better.
So you can see we're all buttoned up here. Rivets are in, all that wonderful stuff. Good buddy of ours, Brian, has let us know that if you use canopy foam and lay in the area that goes against the metal part of the door, it'll quiet up that creaking and squeaking sound that you hear. The rivets will have the part number on the information on the video. Remember, 1/8 inch drill bit's all you need. And yeah, people, get after it.